kind of hungry. What should we have? Wait a minute.
We've been skunked.
Hey.
What you got, Marv?
What are we having for dinner, Marvy?
You can bring that out if you want.
You don't have to stay in the refrigerator.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. I know you found the jackpot.
I guess he has to go back in the refrigerator.
Come on, buddy.
He says, I will not.
Isn't it?
I will not.
Come on, bring it with you. Bring it with you. There you go.
Oh, he's going to his pen. See you later.
All right, take it to your pen.
Oh.
Or please move out of the way so you close the door.
We gotta close the refrigerator. Hey, you. Come on. There we go.
There you go.
That's what we expected. Under the table or to your pen? Obstacle course. You can stay. You're so silly.